How to use WGSN Worth Global Style Network Beauty Platform. WGSN is the leading global trend forecasting company, creating reports and insights to indicators of change to understand what future consumers will think, feel, behave, spend their money on, etc. These forecasts are translated into products and services in different industries. The library subscribes to the fashion and beauty forecasts. This video will look at the beauty platform. The fashion and business insights platforms are the subject of other videos. WGSN can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the W tab. WGSN Beauty Platform is accessed by clicking on the Beauty tab at the top left of the screen. On the home page, you can see the latest reports and insights, data insights, and daily emerging trends. You can browse the forecasts and trends from the drop-down menus at the top. Under Future Strategies, the macro forecast looks at the challenges and opportunities across 6 areas: society, technology, the environment, politics, industry, and creativity, STEPIC, to identify the business and design strategies for success 2 years in advance. There are also reports on how the STEPIC drivers will apply to the beauty industry. The consumer forecasts predict the consumer personas that will define priorities and spending on beauty products. They forecast the different drivers, distinctions, and opportunities in the various global markets. The product forecasts show the seasonal beauty trends for products such as fragrance, nail varnish, hair colour, etc. You can use the filters to hone in on the forecast you're looking for. The category menu allows you to access articles and reports on different aspects of beauty, such as skincare, fragrance, or health and wellness. You can choose whether to see reports, stories from the daily feed, or images. Under Research and Development, you can see reports and stories on related beauty topics, such as packaging, ingredients, and sustainability. The Buying menu contains buyers' briefings, brands to watch, and gifting. The TikTok Analytics tab shows the analysis on TikTok beauty trends, which you can narrow using the filters. You can save any of the articles, reports, or insights to your spaces by hovering on the image and clicking on the bookmark icon. The different reports and insights have a similar layout. There is a Need to Know section with opportunities and strategies. These ideas are expanded and explained with accompanying data. At the end, there's usually links to further research. You can navigate the report using the table of contents. You can save the report to your spaces, either in an existing folder or create a new one. You can download a PDF of the report to your device. From the Images tab, you can see images of packaging or retail displays or catwalk makeup. You can search the image library or use the filters. You can use the search box to search for content. Type your search term in the box and either choose one of the options that appears or click on the magnifying glass. You can choose whether you see reports, stories from the daily feed, or images. Spaces can be accessed at the top right of the screen. You can see the folders you have created. If you click on the 3 dots, you can share the folder with someone else in Belfast Met, or download the folder to your device. There is an option to translate the WGSN website into a number of languages. Click on the EN at the top right of the screen and choose the language required.